Whoa, don't click off the video. I know you're not used to seeing my face at the start of them, but I just wanted to let you know that this solo by Brian Baker has been brought to you by my friends over at guitarvivo.com. Now, if you head over to the link in the description, you can get an entire guitar course written and performed by Brian Baker. So if you want to learn more about Brian's playing, that's definitely the place to do it. Now, this is an outrageous solo. Brian's technique is just off the charts good. He's so accurate with his picking and his rhythm is so solid. But of course, the real draw here is just how consistently outside he manages to play in this solo, just how solidly outside his lines are. So I hope you enjoy it. Check out the link in the description, and a big thanks to Guitar Vivo for sponsoring the video. Check it.